Welcome to our world. Welcome to WorldServe.
WorldServe presents Spacedryft, the drone kit that goes beyond the skies. Learn the importance of drones in space exploration. Build your own payload. Your ground station as well. Assemble everything together and fly. Get data analytics from the drone. Pressure, temperature, humidity and altitude all in real time. Spacedryft comes with DIY video tutorials to make you a pro flyer. What are you waiting for? Become a drone pilot today. Order your kit now